Allow me to introduce you to the automotive masterpiece that is the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. This exceptional vehicle stands as one of Jaguar's most exclusive creations, with a limited production run of just 300 units worldwide, making it a true rarity on the road. With its bespoke craftsmanship, nearly every component of the Project 8 has been built with performance in mind. Underneath the hood, you'll find a specially tuned 5-litre V8 supercharged motor pushing out a staggering 600 horsepower, making it Jaguar's most powerful production car to date. From the body panels that enhance its aerodynamics, to the stripped-down interior that puts focus squarely on driving, this remarkable sedan spared no expense in its quest for perfection. But it doesn't just stop at sheer power and carbon fiber. Upgrades to the gearbox and a sophisticated four-wheel drive system ensure the Project 8 delivers an unrivaled driving experience. And if you're wondering about speed, it holds the title as the fastest sedan to conquer the Nürburgring. However, all this comes at a price. The Project 8 commands a sticker price 4 times that of its base model counterpart. But for those fortunate enough to experience driving this exceptional vehicle, the investment is considered well worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very interesting and unique in the shop. This is a Jaguar Project 8. Very few in Japan, and of course the first time for us to see one in person as well. I don't know about yourself, but
yeah, definitely.
You just don't see this car.
No,
only
I've never seen it, only on YouTube. And you just showed me a really interesting video of how they took away all the original parts and then fit in the Project 8 body parts and pieces, right? That's actually amazing about this car.
It was crazy to see how much they took away, because this car's got such little original parts on it.
It is,
actually. Basically, they did a full Project 8 development on this car, so bodywork, all the internal components and stuff, the engine as well, like a whole bunch of work. It's crazy. It blows me away how much they've done. So this car isn't far off a GT3 around a track now.
You mean lap time, right?
Lap time, which, you know, Jaguar, you normally see old man driving, right?
Yeah,
so
especially it's a sedan, so.
Sedan,
Can't imagine like how a sedan can catch up with the actual like Porsche GT3 or like even GT3 RS. I assume maybe 997 GT3 RS. It probably catches them on the Nürburgring during like similar lap times, right?
Yeah, that's right. We did some settings on this car. We changed it. Basically, when this car comes from the factory for the road, there's like kind of a few versions, and one is with a higher ride height, less aggressive camber and things like that. So this car, we took out the spacers, lowered the car by 15 mil. 15 mil, yeah. Yeah, basically there's like a track spec for this car. Some of them can be ordered with that spec, but this one was not, so we put it into that spec, basically. All the numbers, everything fitted exactly, so this is now in its ultimate form. And this car, when it ran its lap times and when it was done on the circuit and tuned, it was actually done with this setting. So this is its ultimate setting right now. Very track focused. Feels way different to how we, drove it when we first got it.
Yeah, it is, man. And also like one really fun fact about this car is actually a rival of the Giulia GTA M, which is also the same European sedan with no back seat. Although this one has the back seat, but normally it has no back seats, and then comes with a roll cage as well.
Right.
So it's actual like one-to-one like rival.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very interesting, and I'm super happy because I'm a Giulia owner, but I didn't have a chance. I didn't have the money to buy the GTA M. But yeah, seeing this car like a mirror of the GTA M in the shop, it's actually really amazed me. Yeah, I think it amazed all of us too.
Yeah, 100%. We have the Giulia in the back as kind of our reference there, so it's cool. And nice details, like, the Project 8 here and things.
And
very
then
tasteful.
fun fact about the car is also all the carbon fiber panels. They got the no step sticker on it. So
like
it's actually like telling people, hey, be careful with the carbon fiber, man.
Yeah, we got some big skirts on this thing.
I mean, love seeing this car, super muscular in the shop, and we're going to wash this. For the final part of the job. Customer is going to come and pick it up tomorrow. So we will finish prepping the car. I hope the customer have fun in the track, on the track.
He's going to love it. Driving this car, it immediately struck me just how planted, how much grip, the ability for the car to carry speed through the corner was insane. It really mirrored the race cars I've driven before. Outside of the grip and the handling, the power was unbelievable. The sound that came with it, the backfire on the upshift, just the torque available, all of it blew me away beyond any expectations I had. But after all that rawness, the premium interior with its suede and carbon mix really reminded me I'm still in a Jaguar. At the end of the day, I think this car's proven it's worth the price to me. I loved it. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.